Hey folks, sorry I'm not really looking at the camera, but I am driving home. Guys, I just want to give a short little message just to say I will not be going live tonight. I do apologize. Got that nothing's wrong. I just got some family matters I've got to take care of tonight. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that, not just leave anyone hanging that might be looking for me. I know I get a few regulars now, so which is awesome. Thank you very much. Everyone is welcome. We just kind of have a little chit chat, usually on Wednesday nights, but maybe I'll do it on another night. We'll spring up and see if we can get a crowd or something. So guys, still got a video coming out Saturday morning. Can't wait for that. And it'll be a good one. I haven't done, it's a pizza cook. I haven't done a pizza cook in a while. So guys, we will see you Saturday morning. Thank you so much. Have some very loyal and awesome subscribers, and I love each of you guys. So we'll see you Saturday morning, guys, if not sooner. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.